New hair, who it is? New hair, who it is? Who it is? Okay, I'm gonna stop playing with this. Anyway, what's up, y'all? BriannaMagic9.
She said, all of my bitches got friends. Yeah.
Okay, so for today's video, it's gonna be another Valentine's Day look, but you know, more dramatic. It's gonna be more, I guess, complicated. Not really. I feel like it's easy. It's a cut crease, you know. I'm telling y'all, I need to get out my cuss. Not to say cuss. I need to get out my cut crease spirit, but I can't. I love half cut creases. I can't help it. Ever since I mastered them, I can't stop doing them. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But it looks like this. Hold on to my brightness down. It looks like this. Very, very dramatic, glittery, cute for Valentine's Day. Y'all went all out for this video. I went to Dollar Tree. I got decorations. So, y'all better watch this. For the glitter part, I went to TJ Maxx because that's my favorite makeup store. And I found these peel-off glitters by Too Faced, and I looked these up. These was $20 at Ulta and Sephora. Who finna pay $20 for some peel-off glitters? No. But I got them at TJ Maxx for $4.99, $5. So I picked up 3 of them. Do they got names? Oh, they do got names. So I use Glitter Ghost today. This the one I use. Yeah, so if you got a TJ Maxx where you at, go and see if they got these and pick them up because they work really, really good. So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys recreate this look. If you do, tag me. If you don't, okay, that's fine. But yeah, enjoy the video, and yeah. So for this look, I am using Juvia's Place products, and Juvia's Place, I'm not gonna say it again, girl, hit me up. I'm using the Magic palette, probably can't see it. I'm using, girl, calm down. I'm using the Zulu palette. I'm using the Saharan 2 palette. Yeah, I forgot to put my contacts in before I did my makeup. You know what? I can't get my other contact in, so I'm just gonna do the one. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't care. I can't get the thing going. I'm wiping off before I cut my creases because I want my concealer to be white. This is something that I should have been doing, and I know I should have been doing, but I've just been too lazy to do. So yeah. that is how you guys get this look. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I think I have one more Valentine's Day look, and it might surprise you what the look might be, because I'm not gonna get into it. But if you want to see that video, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. All right, mama. Well, now I gotta take pictures. She like, well, girl, here where the hell? Ooh.